Enhypen, often as the primary trendsetter for his style, Nicki has debuted updated, more subtle gradient versions of the Oreo look in 2026. Jennie Blackpink, a longtime icon for style, Jennie's influence remains strong as fans continue to rank her among the top idols who own the look. Ryujin Itzy, known for her aesthetic, Ryujin's two-tone versions are frequently used as hair inspiration. Tyson Boy Next Door recently gained attention for his Oreo hair during 2026 promotions. Sungmin, Stray Kids, listed as one of the popular inspirations for this color trend in recent beauty journals. Hong Joong Itzy, a fan favorite for his diverse experimentation with split dye and Oreo styles.